Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage thoran. First, let's prepare our ingredients. Take 1 medium cabbage, about 500 grams, and chop it very finely. Next, we'll create the essential coconut mixture. Combine 1 cup of fresh grated coconut with 2 green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This aromatic blend is key to authentic thoran. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Heat 2 tablespoons of traditional coconut oil in a wide pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter, indicating they are ready. Then, add a few fresh curry leaves and 1 dried red chili for fragrance. Immediately add your finely chopped cabbage, stirring it thoroughly to coat with the aromatic tempering. After adding the cabbage, cover the pan and let it steam gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the cabbage to become tender without overcooking, retaining a pleasant, slight crunch. Once it's softened, add the prepared coconut mixture directly over the cabbage. Stir everything together very well, ensuring the fragrant coconut blend is evenly distributed throughout the dish. Finally, cook the thoran uncovered for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing any remaining moisture to evaporate. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. Taste the thoran and adjust the salt if necessary, aiming for a perfectly balanced seasoning. Your authentic cabbage thoran is now ready to be served warm, a delightful and healthy side dish for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.